Hi everyone, Simanye here and welcome to SB Media Empire. So basically on this video, I will be showing you guys how to build your own website on GoHighLevel so that you don't have to spend thousands and thousands of dollars making sure that you have your website set up. So in this video, I will be showing you all of that. So what I basically ask is that after you've watched this video, you implement what you've seen in this video. Okay, so now that we are in GoHighLevel, right, this is the launch pad, as you guys can see. So what you simply just have to do is you have to go to sites and then go to websites, since we're building a website. And it's important before you build a website, you create a form, right? And I've created one, but it's important that you do. So you can go to add form, then let me just show you guys. Since we're creating a website for a construction company, let's check if there is a template that we can use. Okay, let's just use this one then. Yeah, let's use this one. So this is how you can do it. It just depends on how you want to do it. But in this case, let's just save it, because you know how you can basically do it. Let's go and create you a website right now. Let's go to... Now you can create a new one from scratch, or you can just use a template, right? Let's just say template. I don't like templates that much because they will kind of confuse you, right, at the very same time. So I don't like using them. But for just for now, let's just use that. And let's just say a bathroom renovation company. Pretty much has everything. So right here, you need to go down. Then you can change the logo. And you can also describe the image that you want here using this. Then it will actually give you, but since I do have one, let's just use that one. And let me change the color and use this one. Let's just do black, then do green, then do green. It's a bit ugly when I would do something like this, but just so that you guys can have a picture of everything, right? But it's just for testimonials only, right? It's Jordan, it's David. So as you guys can see, it has everything that you might need, right? Here you can put your email, you can put your office address, you can change this, you can insert your location right through here. Click on that part, then you check this side. This is where you can put your details. Click here, then it's gonna open search box, then you will insert your location, then you insert your logo. So it can be something like this, right? And if you would be happy with something like this, then you can keep it. If you want to edit it, you can edit it, right? That's pretty much how you would have to create your website through this. Save it after that, right? Instruction, right? Put in the keywords, put in your name. This is how it would actually show, right? Let's say update, save it after that. So this is how your website, this is how it would look. So it just depends on whether are you willing to create it yourself or are you willing to hire someone out. And if you are willing to hire someone out, there's a link that is on the description down below. You can contact us there, right, and book a call with us so that we can help you with your website, right? This is an upselling basically, right? Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you've enjoyed it, you like the video, you comment your thoughts on this video. If there's something that you saw that was wrong, be sure to comment it.